Hey, welcome! If you're dealing with nagging lower back pain, you're definitely not alone. So many of us spend hours sitting or bending awkwardly, and our backs pay the price. Today, I want to introduce you to something called McKenzie exercises. Simple moves you can do right at home to help manage lower back pain. And trust me, you don't need any fancy equipment or experience to get started. First, a quick heads up. If you're in serious pain or have symptoms like numbness or tingling, always check in with a medical pro before trying new exercises. All right, let's dive in. The McKenzie method focuses on gentle, repeated movements to help relieve pressure and get your spine moving better. I'll walk you through 3 easy exercises you can try out today. Exercise 1, prone lying. Lie face down on a mat or even your bed. Keep your arms relaxed by your sides and your head turned to one side. Just breathe and let your back settle for a minute or 2. This simple position can help take stress off your lower back. Exercise 2, prone press-up. From that same lying position, bring your hands under your shoulders, palms down, like you're about to do a push-up. Gently press your chest upward, keeping your hips and legs on the floor. Only go as far as is comfortable. No pain, just a gentle stretch. Hold for a second or 2, then lower back down. Aim for about 10 slow press-ups. Exercise 3, standing extension. Stand up tall with your feet about hip-width apart. Place your hands on the small of your back for support. Slowly lean backward, looking up just a little, and feel that stretch in your lower back. Again, just go as far as feels comfortable. Return to standing and repeat 10 times. These moves are all about gentle motion. Never force anything and stop if you feel pain. It's normal to feel a bit stiff at first, but over time, these exercises can really help loosen things up and ease tension. Try adding these into your routine once or twice a day, especially after long periods of sitting. Remember, consistency is key. Small steps can make a big difference over time. If you want more tips like this or have any questions, hit subscribe and drop a comment below. Take care of your back, and I'll catch you in the next video.